Hello friends, welcome to new video. Today I am share to you the detail about Canon 3-in-1 black laser printer model number MF3010. If you are looking for a multifunction and power packed printer, then Canon MF3010 monochrome laser printer is an ideal choice for you. It has an operational panel and LCD display that allows you to operate all the functions including print, scan, copy conveniently. It comes with a collapsible paper output tray and folding input tray that makes it portable. This multifunction laser printer is the perfect choice for your home, office or small business enterprise that does not require full color prints. The stylish and user-friendly layout enables easy operation of the device, making it a companion for your office or home. It is efficient and gives high quality black and white prints in no time. This printer offers 1200 x 600 dpi to deliver crisp and clear monochrome prints. Also, the printer provides high quality 9600 dpi resolution while scanning and copying. The printer comes with an inbuilt memory of 64 MB, which makes storing documents and files easier. It eliminates the need of processing them. Again, that saves time and increases efficiency. The recommended volume of printing by this printer is 8000 pages for its entire cycle. To make this printer worth your investment, it comes integrated with different inbuilt features. Okay, let's see how to operate this printer. This is the USB port for connect the printer to computer. This is electric cable port. This area for scanning and photocopying purpose. Okay, next let's see where is the ink toner and how to replace the ink toner cartridge from this printer. Open these doors. This printer uses all-in-one toner cartridge which combines the photosensitive drum, toner reservoir and cleaning unit, making toner replacement easy and fast. This is the toner cartridge of this printer. Cartridge number is 725 is mentioned there. You can pull it out like this for remove this toner from this printer. This printer has a unique single cartridge system which combines toner, drum and waster toner into a single unit for easy maintenance. This is the new toner cartridge of this printer. Cartridge number is 725. Compatible printer numbers are mentioned on this cartoon. These models printers are using this toner. On the back side of this cartoon, company mentioned with picture the information about how to insert the toner cartridge to printer. I share a valuable message with you. Many model toner cartridges can working with Canon instead of HP. In this printer, instead of the Canon 725 toner cartridge, you can work with the printer with the HP 85A toner cartridge. Let us see both cartridges work on this printer. First I check with the Canon toner cartridge. Okay, this is the toner cartridge of this printer. Toner number is 725. Insert like this and push it slightly. Okay, after then close this door. It's not possible to print from computer without the driver installed, so we can take a photocopy and test it. Okay, this is the input paper tray of this printer. Maximum 150 sheets capacity of this tray. Paper size can be adjusted like this. Up to A4 size can be supported on this printer. Maximum media weight 60 to 163 gram paper is supported. This is the output paper tray of this printer. Maximum has 100 sheets capacity of this tray. We just need to open the tray extended. It will hold the paper after the printing. First, connect the power cable. After then, printer on with this button. Now printer is ready to use. You can get quality output in different formats like JPEG, PDF, BMP and TIFF. Moreover, it comes equipped with on-demand fixing technology that reduces warm-up time and enables quick and clear print. This button for take a photocopy. How many times you press this button, you can get copy that much. You can get up to 9 copies in this method at the same time. Original document reduction or enlarge 50 to 200% in 10% increments. This printer total weighs 8.2 kg only, so it can be easily moved from one place to another. This printer is compatible with almost all kinds of operating system including Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Okay, let's see how to take a photocopy with this paper. Size of each paper is given on this lid, so you can adjust the paper accordingly. Which side you need to take photocopy, you can load the side as down. After that, press on the photocopy button. Okay, printed now. This is the photocopy of with Canon toner. Next, we can check how to work this printer with HP toner cartridge. Okay, this is the Canon toner cartridge. Okay, remove this one and I insert the HP 85A toner cartridge. Okay, both cartridges are same size and same specification. Again, close this door. Same procedures like before. Now we can take a photocopy with this side. Okay, load the original print side as down. Press it again the photocopy button. See this print, this with HP toner cartridge. So both cartridges are working in this printer. So whichever company toner is the cheapest in the market, you can buy and use it. This video is winding up now. If you have any doubts about this printer, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.